Hey, what's up? It's Derek with Defiant Wheels. We've got another fun video for you today. With me, I've got a brand new 2026 Jeep Gladiator. It's the Mojave edition, so it comes with the upgraded Fox suspension and the higher fenders and the wider axles. And today we're introducing our brand new DF03, which is an existing style, but we modified it specifically to fit the Wranglers and Gladiators. So it is a 17x9, and we fine-tuned the offset so that it fits perfectly on these vehicles, gives you the stance that you're looking for. We've got a 35/12/50 tire on it right now. No modifications, no rubbing, no issue. You can put the factory lug nuts into it, so you don't have to worry about losing your lug key when you got a flat on the side of the road. Additionally, your breaker bar with your jack is gonna work with it. And it's hub centric, so you don't have to worry about spacers or hub rings or having vibration issues. So it really is a plug and play package that's designed specifically for Jeeps. You'll see we've got the Stingray gray, and on this two-tone gunmetal gray and satin black finish, it's a perfect match. It's a great looking wheel for a great looking truck. If you're looking for a no hassle option where you don't have to stress about fitment, give us a call today, defiantwheel.com. So come check it out.